Okay, before we cut the cake, we'll do penguin dance, one more round, and then we're going to gather here for the cake cutting. We'll have a penguin dance. Do you know the music penguin dance? मैं तो ऑनलाइन प्ले करत. Left, left, right, right, front, back. Please. Asa? No? No? Okay. Okay. No problem. Okay. Now we will have the cake cutting. Requesting the family members to please come forward. जितने family members are, please पुढे या. The other relatives, you can be there. Just little behind. Okay. Vokal नवऱ्याची गोवाची मम्मी डॅडी, नवऱ्याची मम्मी डॅडी, पॅट्रिकची मम्मी डॅडी, प्रमिलाचे मम्मी डॅडी. Okay. Before we start, don't cut the beta. Okay. The bridegroom Patrick असा तो सध्या पुण्यात रावता. He is working in IT company. He is blessed by his parents. His dad is Alex Pereira and mom Paskin Pereira. तुम्ही दोघे हात वर करून सगळ्यांना हाय करा. मम्मी डॅडी. Yes. He is also blessed by his elder brother, Mr. Johnson Pereira. Where are you? Okay, can you please come front? Okay. Patrick, come this side. The family also come this side. Okay, so we have Johnson and his wife Mandakini Pereira. Johnson and Mandakini, please wave to everyone so that everyone knows you are Mr. and Mrs. Pereira, the older ones. Okay, Eric, give a reply to them saying hi. Taka reply kara hi. Hi Johnson, hi Mandakini. And they're blessed with small Baba. He is Jaden Pereira. Where are you, Jaden? Okay, to Nidla. No problem. Then, Pereira family play. अजून एक असा ज्याचे नाव म्हाका घेऊन खूप खुशी जाता ते म्हणल्यार त्याची भयण जॉर्जिना फर्नांडीस. Georgina, please come friend along with your husband. I got to know that Georgina is the one who has taken so much efforts tirelessly to make today's event success, or you can say happen. So Georgina, hats off to you. Well done. Very good. Give her a big round of applause. She deserves louder. Hodlan tika taale waje. मागीर पॅट्रिकची गॉडफादर गॉडमदर असत. गॉडफादर असा पात्रिस फर्नांडीस असत. गॉडमदर जुली फर्नांडीस. Okay, they are not available now. Okay, we'll move to Pramila's side. She's Pramila. We with lots of love we all call her Pinku. Pinku, just wave your hand to everyone. Say hi. The beautiful lady of the day. Okay. ती रेडिओलॉजिस्ट असा. प्रेझेंटली ती MBA करता in hospital management or administration, you can call it. Okay. Her lovely parents, her hardworking parents, we have Dominic sir and amchi Manika Mana. Please wave your hands to them. Thank you. Okay. She is blessed by her godparents, Mr. Cyril D'Souza and Mrs. Fatima D'Souza. Are they here? No, they are gone. Okay, then she's always surrounded. तिच्या अवतीभोवती दोन बहिणी असतात तिच्या सारख्यो तिच्या वांगडा असतात. सुकान तशें दुकान. More than Patrick now. Before Patrick now Patrick is going to continue. But till today, these two sisters were there. They are Rona D'Souza and Roshni D'Souza. Rona and Roshni, please come front. Or you can just say hi, wave to everyone. Thank you, Rona and Roshni. Whatever you are still doing and you have done to your sister, you deserve a lot. Okay. Then, म्हाका खूब खुशी जाता एक सांगू की Pramila is also blessed with another mom and dad